Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have alpha methyl ketone. You are using LDA and heating it up. Further you are using alkene with bromide, one bromide with alkene, another bromide with side chain. You should find what will be the final product. Here many important facts are there. First step, you are using the base which is LDA, lithium isopropylamide, which is a bulky base. Abstract the less hindered proton. The proton on the opposite to methyl side is less hindered, so it abstracted. You have anion formation. Then you are heating it up. In heating, high temperature always thermodynamic products form, so you have enolate on the methyl side. Then it attacks the bromine. It's a SN2 kind of reaction. You have new CC bond. Here other bromine will not be affected because it's attached with sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon is electronegative. Bond length is smaller, difficult to break. So sp3 carbon breaks. You have final product. The concept you have to learn here is high temperature always thermodynamic product will form. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.